Dear viewers, today we will discuss marginal cost. Marginal cost is a key concept in economics that refers to the cost associated with producing one additional unit of a good or service. It is the increase in total cost that results from producing one additional unit of output. The marginal cost represents the change in total cost that results from a change in the quantity of output produced. It is calculated by dividing the change in total cost by the change in the quantity of output produced. In other words, it is the derivative of the total cost function with respect to the quantity of output. The marginal cost is an important tool for decision making in production and resource allocation. Firms use marginal cost to determine the optimal level of production as they aim to produce the quantity of goods and services that will maximize their profit. If the marginal cost of producing an additional unit of output is greater than the price of the good or service, it is not economically feasible to produce that unit. In summary, the marginal cost is the measure of the cost associated with producing one additional unit of a good or service and is used to make decisions about resource allocation and production levels.